Okay. I'm about to officially play the first time. In this new map. Black Nancy. I don't know why she's called Black Nancy, but anyways, that's what she's called.
Stay strong.
Bro, I don't know whether oh, I hear somebody. Connie? Oh, that's Anna. Bro, why are you making all that noise, bro? He about to set me up. He about to set me up. My gosh, man. This is so tense. Like, I am not used to playing this place, so I do not even know where I'm going. I'm gonna just grab another lockpick. Just in case. I know I said this is my first time playing this new map, but actually it isn't my first time playing this new map. But I have never escaped playing this new map, so. Bro, what is wrong with Anna, bro? Bro. Okay, she's chasing after Anna. Bro, she's a bitch. What a bitch! Alright, I'm gonna go find a gate to open right now. Cause I cannot keep wasting my time. I got 2 lockpicks I gotta put them to good use. I am following the wrong person right now. Oh my gosh, she opened this up. That's insane. Bro, I gotta save my stamina.
Can I use this?
Let's swap these with these. Oh my gosh, bro. She came. Maybe I might have to turn off the generator, because I don't know. You gotta turn off the generator and see where we can run up to with this. Oh my gosh, man. So all I gotta do is just follow. Oh my gosh, bro. Now she wants me. She. Bitch! Yeah, I got a whale down here too. You can swing and miss all you want, bitch. You really want to hit me through the wall? What the fuck? But what is wrong with this sissy, bro? But she about to tell her siblings. She about to tell on me right now. Oh, the cook already locked this. He locked this. That's a good move. I got a well. I can just keep you out here with me, CC, all day. While my teammates are busy.
Everywhere I turn, there they are.
Let go of your fear. It's holding you back.
Lost him again. I gotta stay hidden. Somehow.
So she's about to sneak up on me. I can tell.
They're all over.
Yeah, she's sneaking up on me. I saw your ass, bitch. But what the fuck is wrong with this? Oh, I'm gonna go back. Because I'm not gonna die to all of that.
How many are there? Come on.
Don't fight it. Just give in, sweetie.
Now she can't find me anymore. I'm safe. I bet. But she gotta leave like right now, bro. She's just gotta leave, bro.
Finally. They're gone.
She's searching all over the grass place for me.
The others.
Bro, CC's MIA right now. My teammates wouldn't even have any idea there was a CC in this game. CC gone missing. Bro. She's looking for me in the grass, in the sunflowers, bro. If I die like this, it ain't gonna be funny. Oh my god, he about to beat someone's ass. Where's she at?
It's much too quiet. They can't be far.
I think she's gone inside the house. It's our time. Pick these locks. Like ASAP. I don't want to get caught. I'll do this. My gosh, bro. I'm gonna take off the cook's padlock. He's about to come down here. I'm gonna do to you what I did to CC, bro. You gotta learn to respect space. Oh, you about to tell on me?
Everywhere I turn, there they are.
You about to tell on me?
No. I knew they were here somewhere.
Bro, he gonna tell on me. He gonna tell on me. He gonna tell on me.
Seems safe enough.
Now he gonna tell on me. I gotta go. I gotta go hide right behind my truck. Where you at? Oh yeah, he's right there. He just calling the rest of the gang. He was searching for me down the sunflowers again. Bro, I do not even have 2 lockpicks. What are you so afraid of?
It's too quiet.
Now the cool's gone MIA?
Quiet.
Oh, he's searching for me. I got my ability back too. We gotta take this easy escape, bro. Cool gone MIA, bro. I still got 2 of my teammates doing objectives. Bro, he's camping this place so hard right now. Bro. They turned off the generator again, bro. No way he comes this way. I feel like maybe he saw me already, but he's trying to call for help. What are you on about? Oh my gosh, man. That was creepy. I ain't gonna lie. That was creepy as fuck. But would he move? Bro, no way he did not see me, bro. My gosh, bro.
They're everywhere.
I gotta go right now. I gotta go right now.
I might be safe now. Need to find a way out.
Bro, Anna's. Did you see Anna? Julie. Oh, she took off the lockpicks. That's crazy. My time to shine. Time to shine, baby. This is about to be the craziest, sneaky escape ever. The sneakiest escape ever. If I can pull this off right now. Oh my gosh, bro. If I can pull this off right now, bro, that would be insane. Oh, I got it. I got it. Where you at, Julie?
Gotta keep going.
My gosh, bro. That was insane, bro. That was freaking ass insane, bro. Yo, we open up the front garden gate in case you all want to come out this way. Julie, you can run out the front exit. Because she knows. Bro. You don't gotta be evil, bro. Trying to break that old man ankles. Oh my gosh, man. Man, y'all be trolls, bro. That was a good game. That was a good game. That was a good game. Oh God.